Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will use some tropical colors kind of and do a wandering straight pour with this cup that I taped a little bit because I will probably pour out here to maybe have 3 streams of paint flowing down. We will see how it will happen, and I will go through colors while I'm doing that. I have some white, I have some azo yellow deep, and of course all my paints are mixed with my pouring medium. This is some orange, golden yellow by Amsterdam, I think. This is Naphtha Red Middle, and I have some metallic blue, and Phthalos Cyan, turquoise, and turquoise green by Amsterdam. And some white again, and I will repeat the process. I love that cup, isn't it beautiful? So I poured here, but as I said, I want to pour my paint out right here. Let's do it here. So I will just go for it. like it. I just grabbed a piece of cardboard just to catch the corners, and you will not see if I will have it like that, so let's do it like that, because I don't want to lose that top part. Back and fold. Back towards the middle. Down to the other side. Yeah, I like it. I like how vibrant she is. I like the feathering. I like the colors. I like the composition. I like everything. Wow. Yeah. So I will take you down for a close-up. I'm really happy with this one. Love it. Love the movement. Love the colors. You know, I'm still finding a little spare time to paint while I have my granddaughter here. It's summer, you know, and we all have some family stuff, me too, so no dried results. I promise I will. Next week on my Monday video I will show all the dried results from this week's pour, because just didn't manage to before. See here, the colors were not so mixed up. And here they blend a little bit, but still created beautiful colors, I think. Yeah, I love it. So thanks for being here. Have a nice weekend and see you again on Monday. Bye.